So there's all those different ways that you can actually, I know, right? You're thinking,
What's going on? She's
I'll
like,
hook you up after this.
you, Alisa. Yeah.
That's a very good one.
Hook you up. I know.
Yeah, something came up because of work. I had to say no. So
Right.
Not anymore. Not anymore.
But it's just there's so many different ways. Again, when you're thinking creatively and you're thinking big, you know, that's probably one of the biggest things too when you're an entrepreneur is you do think bigger generally than other people just because you're an entrepreneur. It kind of it calls on that creativity. And so, yeah, but those are just some of the ways, you know, I'll give you another example. Danielle Leslie, who's a coach that I work with, love Danielle Leslie. And she's kind of the, you know, she's the unicorn of course creation. And so, you know, she's made multiple tens of millions of dollars over in a very short period of time. Also African-American female doing amazing things. And she's gone, her business just almost just creates money every month all by itself because she has a brand that now today literally money is everywhere. You know, so she has her course, you know, her course from scratch, but then there's been branches off like high-end programs from there. She has lower ticket stuff that she sells that literally she doesn't even do anything except it just sells. And then also partnerships, right? And so there's just so many different, I mean, honestly, I could go on for another 30 minutes talking about all the different
ways. You're like, there's so many ways to make money. So many ways.
Maybe you need to do an ebook.
Ebook, exactly.
Right? She has all the ways, all the answers. So I know the question that's coming, which is, how can we find Alisa? How do we find her? Because I want to ask her about some ways I can make money online because one of the beauty about our work together, Alisa, is I never really know much. As I said, I was in the corporate world. I just know if it does manage money and just grow the money, but running a business, no clue at all. And my work with Alisa was, you know, how exactly do we set up certain systems within Profit Jumpstart? So the money coming in multiple ways to continuously make money because we need multiple income streams in our business as well. I have to practice what I preach, right? I can have multiple income stream and then I'm over here with just one little dege source and can't work. So let's bring up how to reach Alisa. Rowan asking first about Tony Ann. Social media, it's Travel with Tony Ann. And then for Alisa is up now.
So my IG is just my name. So it's at Alisa Owens.
Right. It's on at Alisa Owens. That's what it is to reach there. But there's also for persons who may want to reach out directly to Alisa and do a session with her. salesactivationsession.com. Because one thing I firmly believe in is that I need to learn from people who know where I want to be. They have already worked with people who are at, you notice Alisa only talks about millions. She has never said anything about hundreds of thousands. She speaks in millions. And for me, my goal is to take Profit Jumpstarter into multi-million-dollar US company. And so I need to work with people who are familiar and who know how to get to that level where millions is just their regular language. They don't speak in small figures. And so it's been very beneficial. That's what I can say. And so it makes sense to reach out to her to have a session yourself because maybe that's what you're looking to do. You want to learn how to scale what you're doing online to be more profitable. So bring it up again. So we have it. So it's there. Gotcha. And then for Tony, for persons who are thinking about, you know, I want to be a travel influencer. I want to be an influencer of something. Let me study what you've done, Tony. Maybe I can talk to you. Maybe you can tell me how to grow my followers. And let's set that question too. How do I grow followers? Because everybody's all about that. I know even though you say you don't need a lot of followers to get brand deals, they're like, yeah, but it looks good to say 100,000.
It does. It's vanity metrics, as I call it, because you know people have so many more followers than me, and they don't have the deals I have. I'm just saying.
Hey,
I'm just saying.
Girl.
I don't mean to be shady or anything, but it's
No, it's
your
respect
followers.
you. Respect you.
Yeah, it is. It really don't have anything to do with how many. It's your content. It's the richness of your content and the value that you add. Because I'm sure you, Keisha, you probably make way more money than me. You have less followers than me. I'm just saying.
Well, so the thing is, right? Alisa coached me from very early on certain things that make a lot of money for us. Are you ready to finally start investing and grow your wealth, but you don't know where to begin? The Profit Jumpstarter Academy has everything you need to level up your money game. So stop guessing with your money and start investing with confidence. We offer several Power Pack courses for beginner investors just like you. We have our Jamaican Stock Market Course, our International Stock Market Course, our Get Out of Debt course, or Real Estate Investing course. Tons of education to get you to that next level on your wealth building journey. And here's the best part. In addition to the education, you also get to be a part of a community of like-minded investors, your very own money squad to support you on your wealth building journey. And on top of that, you receive myself, Keisha Bailey, global financial expert, aka Keisha the teacher, as your very own tutor along your wealth building journey. So don't wait. Click the link to join the Profit Jumpstarter Academy right now and grab your membership. Let's start building wealth together. So we know you are right. So we're all within the network of the Profit Jumpstarter Academy. Tony, so I know pretty soon you will understand them as well. But the quality of the content you're saying is what grows the audience.
It's definitely what grows the audience. It's the quality. It's quality over quantity. And what value you are adding, don't watch follow count, just connect with the audience, be consistent. Being consistent is key. Alicia spoke about that. Being consistent, adding value to people is very important. Yeah.
All right, nice. So we're gonna leave it there for that for tonight. Leave it there for persons who want to reach out. You have the handles. We're also gonna have them in our show notes so persons have forever access to the links to reach these two amazing ladies. So Alisa Owens, Tony Ann, Mackenzie, thank you both for being on tonight. This was a great, great, great discussion. Don't watch the noise, watch the sales. Them said don't watch. I said don't watch the noise, watch the sales. Big up to the sales expert, Alisa. And the sales, I guess, growing sales influencer, Tony Ann. This was an amazing discussion. Thank you guys both for being on tonight.